In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF from the clipboard using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is an incredibly useful skill to have, especially when you need to quickly convert text, images, or various other content into a PDF for easy sharing or archiving. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. Firstly, you'll want to start by identifying the content you want to convert into a PDF. This can be any text block, image, or other digital content that you can highlight and copy to your clipboard. Simply use the usual copy method, whether it's through a right click and selecting copy, or using the keyboard shortcuts such as Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. It's that simple, and it ensures that whatever you've selected is now ready to be inserted into a PDF. Next, you'll need to launch Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you have the program open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. There you'll find a button labeled Create. This is your gateway to transforming your clipboard content into a PDF. Clicking on it will give you several options for creating new PDF documents. Within the submenu that appears, you will see an option for Clipboard. Selecting this option tells Adobe Acrobat that you wish to convert your copied clipboard content into a PDF document. It's a straightforward step, but crucial for moving forward in the process. Once you click on the Clipboard option, you're almost there. You'll notice a simple prompt. Click on Create to finalize the generation of your new PDF document with the content you copied earlier. At this point, Acrobat Pro DC will work its magic, and in just a moment, you'll have a new document ready, showcasing the content you wanted as a neat and tidy PDF file. And there you have it, a new PDF created directly from your clipboard content, ready to be saved, shared, or further edited. This method is particularly valuable for anyone needing to quickly collect and convert information from various sources into a unified PDF format, cutting out unnecessary steps and saving valuable time. So whether you're gathering research notes, creating documentation for work, or simply trying to keep your digital life in order, converting clipboard content into PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC is a must-know process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Keep exploring and experimenting with Adobe Acrobat features to become even more efficient in your digital tasks. Thank you for tuning in, and happy PDF creating.